Welcome to the ultimate guide on Bitfinex, the trusted platform for trading, managing, and securely storing your cryptocurrency. In this video, we'll explore every aspect of the Bitfinex platform. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Let's dive into Bitfinex. When you first open the website, you're greeted with an intuitive dashboard. Here, you can access your wallet, trading tools, and account settings. The site's layout is designed to cater to both beginners and advanced users, making navigation straightforward. Begin by creating an account. It's a quick process requiring basic details and email verification. Once signed in, you'll see options to deposit funds, either in cryptocurrency or fiat. To deposit, click the Deposit button, choose your preferred currency, and follow the instructions. Bitfinex supports various trading pairs, offering both spot and margin trading. The trading terminal is equipped with detailed charts, order books, and customization options. If you're new to trading, use the Quick Buy Sell feature, which simplifies the process. For experienced traders, advanced tools like limit orders and leverage are readily available. The platform also has a robust staking feature where you can earn rewards by holding specific cryptocurrencies. Security is a priority of Bitfinex. Two-factor authentication, advanced encryption, and withdrawal address whitelisting ensure your assets are safe. You can manage your settings in the Security section of your account. Additionally, Bitfinex offers a mobile app for trading on the go, with the same level of functionality and security as the desktop platform. Don't forget to explore the lending feature, which allows you to lend your crypto and earn interest. Similarly, if you need liquidity, Bitfinex offers borrowing options against your assets. These features make Bitfinex a versatile platform for all your crypto needs. Sign up now using my link https://lnk.do/jkukoif to claim your bonus and get started today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take control of your cryptocurrency journey. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more comprehensive crypto guides.